too bad, I actually quite like it. Gave me a lot of two-door cinema club vibes, but in Welsh.
Edrych lan a lawr, roedd hi ar goll ar ben ei hun, ond a'i flaen.
Dyna roedd yn diddorol. That was really nice. I liked that. The introduction and the sort of electric violin, and then the voice suited it, you know, and it seemed intriguing.
That's amazing. Brass and drum bass, drum brass. It's awesome.
Now that was definitely headbanging. I really enjoyed that, and I have to say that I would be up there rocking with the best of them in my younger days.
That was really nice. I really enjoyed that. It was a big beat that kicked in that I was waiting for. It's a nice build-up, and the voices were stunning. Really enjoyed that.
Oh, I like that one. That was really cool. That reminds me of like 80s jazz funk. Funny, even though I'm not Welsh speaking, that didn't affect me because I like the music.
Music is music, you know, whatever language it's in, whatever genre it's in. If it's good and it catches you and it gives you that lovely shiver up your back, you know you've listened to a good piece of music.